afternoon. William Byron looking for win number 5. Cameron Haley. Rewind, heading to turn 1, chasing William Byron.
They stand now 3 wide behind Cameron Haley, and somehow he managed to block them all. Byron, though, will get to turn 1 first. Haley in the second spot, but he's got his hands full. Here comes Brett Moffitt, looking to the outside. He'll pull even for second on the long talk stretch.
Strong run by Brett Moffitt on the outside lane, trying to close the deal for their second spot. By the time they get to turn number 2, he cannot do it. Cameron Haley with a bold move. He'll take over the runner-up position.
Cameron Haley dove deep into turn number 2 and was able to take that spot. Now Brett Moffitt is under fire. Tennessee Peters is on his deck sled on the back of the truck. Moffitt able to hang on to it, but while they're battling for second on that, William Byron is checking out a couple of sets banging off each other. Not how to move it, but down to the
once again, methodically just begins to pull away at the front of the field. His lead now up to 10 truck lengths as they head for 2.
And that truck lane, or 10 truck lengths advantage is over Cameron Haley, who rides second. Running in position number 3 is Brett Moffitt. Haven't talked a whole lot about him today, but he's up in the 3rd spot.
Brett Moffitt very smooth right now in the 3rd spot. About 6 or 8 truck lengths behind Cameron Haley. It's about 6 or 8, maybe even 10 truck lengths back to Tennessee Peters. His front 4 about equal distance to front. All by himself here in the final quarter as this one's winding down.
And a great day for Red Horse Racing. Both of their trucks down.
All the lead he needs and maybe a little bit more over Cameron Haley.
Continuing to snake his way down the long pond straight, trying to break what's a little bit of a draft. Cameron Haley's been able to get off the paved rear spoiler. The race leader, William Byron, continues to show the way.
Byron sets the pace. He has that advantage. Cameron Haley is in the 2nd spot. The battle tightening up for 3rd spot now. As Brett Moffitt has it, but here's Tennessee Peters looking low down in the turn number 3. Moffitt able to shut the door to Tennessee Peters right on the tailgate off the final corner.
Here they come off of turn number 3. White William Byron cruising his way to the Pocono Mountains on a Saturday afternoon. Byron up off turn 2 for the last time.
Slides out right along the outside wall as he works the back straightaway here. Ooh, down into turn number 3 now. There's the truck to the left. Nothing to right now. About a foot now down on the yellow line. William Byron for the final time on turn 3.
As that Toyota pin to the